I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm a hunter, looking for a come up. This is something awesome. Yeah. Walking to the club. Something awesome. Yeah. Walking to the club like, what up, it's me and Lindsay Style. I'm so pumped about some swag from the thrift shop. Ice on the fringe, it's so frosty. The people like, whoa, that's a cold TT. Rolling deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressing all pink, set my gator shoes, those are green. Draped to the left of me, girl standing next to me. Probably should've washed this, smells like R. Kelly sheets. But wait, it was 99 cents. Copping and washing, about to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins, someone else has been walking and brought me a grungy anthem. Man, I ain't starting to Boston and saving my money, and I'm really happy that's a bargain. I'ma take your grandpa style, not for real. I'ma take your style, velour jumpsuit and some house slippers, Dookie brown leather jacket that I found digging. They had a broken keyboard, so I bought that broken keyboard.